Hello YouTube friends and welcome to Highlands Cooking Channel. Today I will be showing you how to make one of my most absolute favorite dishes. It's called chicken adobo. Very popular among the Philippines. It's one of my most favorite Filipino dishes. Matter of fact, it's one of my most favorite dishes of all time. We will be using rice as the side dish as well. Now, for adobo, you don't have to use chicken. You know, some people like beef adobo, some people like pork adobo. But for this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to make chicken adobo. In fact, during this channel, in this channel, you will see me teaching you how to make various dishes that are popular in the Philippines, including sinigang, pancit, egg rolls, etc., etc. Now the purpose of this video is so that all you lovely people can add another dish to your cooking repertoire, because this, I kid you not, is one of the absolute best dishes. It's my absolute number one favorite. You know, and if you have a family of 5, this is the ultimate meal. You know, and your kids will love it, and you will not regret watching this video. In fact, if you do like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button for me, please. Now, before we get started on the adobo, I thought I'd show you guys quick how to make rice, just in case there are some of you who have never made rice before. It's really quick, very easy to do. So, first thing I'm going to do, this bag of rice here. I get my rice at Walmart, but you can get the bigger bags at any Asian store in your city. But yeah, there's only a small portion of it left. I'm probably just going to use the last one. Doesn't look like much, but once it's done cooking, you'll see it's enough. Hold on a second here. Don't worry, this will be enough. This will be enough. So, now, I'm going to put the water in it real quick. What I do is I stick my finger in there and I let it rise up to the second line on my index finger. That's how I know it's enough. That's good. Now, put it in the rice cooker. Now I need to find the lid for it. Make sure it's on cooking. Let's find here we are. Oh, that one's a little too big. Hold on. There's one around here somewhere. Just give me a second here. Oh, might be my dishwasher. Yeah, we did just wash dishes. Here we are. There you go. That is how you make rice. Now, on to the adobo. So before we start stashing away at making the adobo, first we need to know the ingredients we'll be using. First things first, this is the type of chicken we will be using. Chicken thigh fillets. Very good, very good. Then we will be cutting up onions. Now onions give that adobo it adds a lot of good flavor to it. Soy sauce will definitely, it's very key. It's my favorite ingredient in the adobo. I like to add lots of it. It adds a real salty taste to it. Then we need to put 2 bay leaves. Then we need black peppercorns, garlic powder, and then vinegar. Now vinegar gives the adobo that sour taste, you know, so for me, I don't like to use a whole lot of it. I don't like my adobo that sour, neither do my kids. But if you really want a more sour taste, then yeah, by all means, add more vinegar. As you can see, I already got the rice cooking right now. Remember, that's going to be our side dish when we put the adobo on. So now, we're going to start cooking away at the adobo. First thing I'm going to do is cut up these onions. Got my handy dandy little butcher knife. Now this is my favorite knife to cut up the onions with. It gets the job done real quick. Now that the onions are cut up, I'm gonna put them in this nice little pan here. Now I'm gonna add soy sauce, my favorite ingredient. Now, if you go on Google, they'll say to use 1/4 of a cup, but me, I like to use a lot more, like I said in the beginning of the video. So I'm gonna pour just about up to there. Now, just simply pour it in the pan along with the onions. Now the next thing I'm going to add is vinegar. Remember, as I said, they also recommend just use 1/4, you know, and that's what I'm going to do. Let's see, let's turn that around here. Just add a little bit. Yep. Yeah, that's about enough for my kids and myself. Because as I said, we know none of us really like our adobo too sour. Now it's just the remaining ingredients. First, I'm going to put 2 bay leaves. Open this here. 1, 2. Then I'm going to sprinkle some black peppercorns. Then the garlic powder. I just give it 1 little circle, and that'll be good enough. Last but not least, drum roll, the chicken. So, how I defrosted the chicken is I simply just left it in the fridge for a couple days, because my family and I, we have kind of a cooking schedule throughout the week. So Monday is kind of our spaghetti day, and then Tuesday is our steak day, and so on and so forth. So now I'm gonna go ahead and throw the chicken in there. Sorry about the shaky camera, guys. I promise I'll get a better one for my next cooking tutorial. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to put it on high. Oops, for about 8. Now what we're going to let it, now what we want it to do, is let it cook. Basically. So throughout, what you're going to want to do is grab your ladle. Once it starts rising up, you want to stir it frequently. Now, if you want to add more adobo, just simply add more water. You just throw in water in there. Simple as that. So now that I got the lid on, it's cooking, I got it on high, we are going to let the adobo sit for about 45 minutes, at least until the chicken is brown. Now another thing you could do is you could fry the chicken in the stove, but it tastes a little bit better, I guess. But me, I just like to throw the chicken in with everything else and cook everything at once. So yeah, now we just wait. Again, when the juice rises up, and if you see that it's not enough, you can always just throw water in there, and that will add more adobo. As we can see, the rice has been done. Yeah, it got done 5 minutes into making the adobo. Yeah, rice doesn't take long to cook at all. As you can see, the adobo is finally finished. The meat's brown, it looks really tender. It's looking very, very delicious. I can't not wait to devour this. So basically, yeah, I'm not gonna lie. During the cooking process, I did add some soy sauce and some more water, because like I said, I'm cooking for a family of 4. So The thing about adobo is it really isn't a just it yourself kind of dish. I mean, you just add the proper ingredients till it tastes right for you. So yeah. Now, on to the most important part of the cooking process. Eating peppers. Just get a good amount of rice in there. And basically, that'll be enough for me for now. Then, start sashing away at the adobo. And that is chicken adobo, folks. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. You know, it's a new dish. It's very delicious. I know if you're unfamiliar with it, it's a good thing to cook for your family. You know, it's my absolute favorite dish. And also, if I was unclear about something, if you guys need clarification, just go down in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer. Yeah. So yeah, have a safe rest of the year, guys, and thank you.